Right, so for today's lesson, we are going to go over some more fraction of problems to just review what we did on Thursday. So I am actually going to do problems 1, 3, and 5, and then you will need to do 2, 4, 6, and 7 on the Go Formative on your own. So we need to solve each problem. We can use drawings to help, and then check to make sure they make sense. So I am finding 1/2 of 5. So of means that I am multiplying these numbers. So I'm going to write 1/2 of, and now I need to represent my whole number of 5 as a fraction. The way that I do that is I put it over 1 because with an improper fraction, division is the action. 5 divided by 1 is 5. So by putting my whole number over 1, I am not changing the value of that number. So now I am going to just go ahead and multiply straight across 1 times 5 and 2 times 1. My answer is 5/2, but we don't ever answer with improper fractions. We need to turn it into a mixed number. So with an improper fraction, division is the action. So I am going to do my numerator as my dividend, my denominator is my divisor. So 2 goes into 5. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to subtract and get 1. So when I am representing a improper fraction as a mixed number, my remainder is always my numerator, and my divisor is always my denominator. So 1/2 of 5 is 2.5. I am sure that some of you may have already known that and did it in your head, but please make sure that you are showing your work. All right, let's look at number 3. What is 1/4 of 2? So I'm going to write 1/4 of 2. Again, I know some of us may be able to do this in our head, but please make sure that you are understanding how to show your work. I want to keep 2 the same, so I'm going to put it over 1 and multiply straight across. So I get 2/4. That is not improper, so I can leave 2/4 as my answer. Or some of us may want to simplify it. I can simplify by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. So I know that 2 goes into 2 1 time, and I know that 2 goes into 4 2 times. So 2/4 is the same as 1/2. So you can answer with 2/4 or 1/2. Let's go ahead and look at number 5, and then you are going to get a chance to practice on your own. Frederick went to a farmer's market and bought 8 quarts of strawberries. He wants to keep 1/3 of the strawberries and give away the rest. How many quarts of the strawberries will he keep? So we know that we want 1/3 of our 8 quarts. So I'm going to write 1/3 of, and then I'm going to put 8 over 1 so that we keep the value of the 8 the same. 1 times 8, 3 times 1. This is improper. So with an improper fraction, division is the action. I'm going to go ahead and divide. 3 goes into 8 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. My remainder is 2. My remainder is always my numerator, and my divisor is always my denominator because my denominator should not change. So he is going to keep 2 2/3 quarts of strawberries. If you are having any questions on this, please email me, message me on Google Classroom. I am happy to do a Google Meet with you, or you can join during one of our 2 times during the day to ask some questions.